This is the secret to a shiny floor that even your visitors will envy. Grab a bucket and pour in 1 gallon of lukewarm water. Now add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Its mild cleaning properties help loosen dirt and everyday grime. Next, pour in half a cup of isopropyl alcohol. Now add half a cup of white vinegar. Its natural acidity helps break down residue that can leave floors looking dull. Finish with 1 cupful of fabric softener. It leaves behind a fresh scent and helps give the floor a polished look. Give everything a good stir until it's fully combined. Dip your mop into the solution, then wring it out well. A damp mop cleans more evenly and helps prevent excess water from sitting on the floor. Mop your floors as you normally would, working your way across the room. As the solution dries, it helps lift away everyday dirt while leaving the surface looking cleaner and brighter. If you found this tip helpful, save this video so you can come back to it later.